Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find momentum or MMT wallet address on Binance. As you can see, this is the charts and MMT or momentum token just get listed on Binance Spot. And if you want to transfer your MMT token from other wallets or airdrop to Binance, you have to find the wallet address first, and I will show you in this video step by step. So first, you can open your Binance apps and then go to your asset in the bottom right corner here. And then as you can see, there is advanced. You can click it, and then you can choose on-chain deposit. And then in the search box, you can search MMT for momentum. This one you can click it, and then there's only Sui network. You can just click it. And then this is my MMT wallet address on Binance. You can copy it or scan it. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.